Hello, Hardware here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues or problems with Trello app on your phone. First thing that you would do is go up to the Play Store, search bar again, find your Trello, we get our Trello app, and here we want to update the app to the newest version. If you do this already and have everything like me, the newest version, there shouldn't be any issues. But if you got, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is go up to the settings, go up to the apps, right there, go up to the see all, go up here, find your Trello, here we go, permissions, and you need to allow them all like this and the rest of them. Next, go to the storage, no storage, go to the Wi-Fi data usage, unrestricted mobile data usage, and that should fix any problems. But if you still got some issues, I'm gonna show you the last easiest way. So you back to the Play Store, click uninstall, and just reinstall the app. After this, everything should be cool. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.